Let's design this city poster together using Canva. To start, from your homepage, just click on Create. And for the poster, just search there, Poster. What I'm aiming for is something big, so I want a portrait A3. I always like to start with a background color, so just click on the background and here you can search for the color. I'm going for black, but since I want to print this, never go to absolute black. I like to choose this one here, like it's almost black, but not so absolute, so you won't have problems while printing. This is going to be a city poster of the city Berlin in Germany. So I am going to search for an image within the Canva library. You can also upload your own image here and work with that. But first, let me see how I search for it. So I just type in city Berlin, Germany. And then I search within the photos. Here you can search also for a specific color that you want to have in an image, or if you want it like vertical, horizontal, square. If you want just to see the free images that you have in the Canva library or Pro, you can mark this here. Only cutouts, you can choose whatever you want. I'm not filtering anything because I'm going to be searching for an image that I kind of like. I found my image already. I'm going to use this one. For creating that effect that you saw in the intro of this video, you will have to search for an image that has here like a clean background. As you can see, I'm not having buildings here and very different colors or shapes, better say here, because otherwise this is not going to work very nice with the letters above, okay? Go to the elements, and this time we type letter frame sans serif. I want them to be sans serif. This way I'm sorting this a bit out. And then when you search for them, be sure you are looking within frames. And there you go. Now you just have to choose those letters to form the word of your city. I'm going for Berlin. Here you go. Now we just have to write it. I'm making them a bit smaller so I can better see where they all are. Okay, I want to have more distance between the letters. So what I do is I usually zoom in and I really count the points. Like I want 8 points, so I'm counting here. Now I'll do the same here. And now Canva will kind of see that I want that distance. 7, I want one more. 8. Okay, now I want 8 again. And here again, so we can put the lines later on. So that's the idea of this poster. Now, what I'm going to do is, in order to make this fit, I'm just going to select all the letters and I'm going to reduce their size just a bit like you're seeing here. Yeah, it looks nice already. And now to do the trick with the color, again, it's zoom in, but really zoom in. And you're going to click on the letter, go here for color, and now we're going to pick this pencil and we're going to search for the color that's super close to the frame, okay? Like this. We're going to do the same with all frames. And you will see that you create a kind of a gradient. If your background is really crowded, this effect is not going to be there and it won't look as nice as you saw in the intro. So now I'm just picking the colors. Let's do this with all letters. We're almost there. I think this is a very interesting and cool effect that we are creating here in this poster. Last one here. Stay with me. Nice. Okay, but you see there is this kind of line here between the letters and the image. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to select all of the letters again and going 1 point down. So this way you don't see that and they align perfectly well in the frame. It's looking good. Now let's add the lines between these letters to create that effect you saw in the intro. We are going to elements again, and we're going to search for square. Then we will take within the shapes, okay, a square. I'm going to color it using the same color I used in the background. And now we're going to zoom in so we can make it fit here. Let's already move it all the way down. That's about what we need. Now we can measure the distance of this square to fit exactly the space between the letters, okay? I just need to duplicate that, drag and drop them between those letter spacing. As I'm doing it here, I'm just speeding it up so it's not so boring for you to watch. And that's it. This way you can create something very unique with a city poster for you to have fun with, to test your design knowledge, or simply to play with it and improve your skills in Canva and in design. I hope this was nice for you, fun, helpful. Let me know in the comments if you tried this out and how it went. See you in the next video.